Alright, so I just finished putting in my details, so I'm gonna click on confirm now. Alright, so I've already clicked on confirm. You can see make sure the address and phone number provided is accessible for the next 3 weeks. Okay, then the card fee is 699 naira, maintenance fees is 0, delivery 2800, special coupon code is 1500 naira. So the total amount that you'll be paying to apply for Palmpay ATM card will be 1999 naira. So if you have 1999 naira, just click on pay now. But basically I don't have enough in my Palmpay account, and I have a lot of ATM card with me, so adding Palmpay ATM card to my cards will be like a lot for me. I have other banks. I have like 5 or 6 ATM card, and I used OPay card a lot actually. So if I now added another card again to this one right now, that will be a plus, and it's too much. It will be too much. There are some cards that I don't even use at all. So I'm very sorry that I won't be able to apply for this card straight forward inside this video, but I already walk you through how to go about it. So if you have 1999 naira in your Palmpay account, just click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, then you see right there the money will be deducted from your Palmpay account, and I don't know where this particular money is coming from. Okay, this is the amount that is supposed to be, which is 3499 naira. But with the fact that they deducted, they give you a coupon code for 1500 naira, so the money is being deducted. You can see. And if you don't have enough money in your account, you can also use another payment method from your card. If you click on payment method right here, you see you can also take a loan to get ATM card. You can also add another card to your Palmpay account in order to be able to apply for this payment for this card. So this is how you can pay for your card. So once you have enough money, just click on confirm to pay, and then the money will be deducted from your Palmpay balance. So this is how you can apply for Palmpay ATM card as fast as possible. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.